In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger email step by step so you can log in, send messages, and read your inbox without any confusion. Whether you're setting up a professional email for your business, your website, or just want to manage everything in one place, this guide will help you get started quickly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to webmail.hostinger.com. This is the official Hostinger Webmail login page, and it's where you'll access your email account. Once the page loads, enter your full email address and your password, then click the login button to sign in. If your details are correct, you'll be taken into your Hostinger email dashboard. Now that you're inside, let's look at how to send an email. On the left side or top menu, click on New Message. This will open a blank email draft where you can start composing your message. In the recipient field, type the email address of the person you want to contact. Make sure it's spelled correctly so your message goes to the right place. Next, add a subject line. The subject should clearly describe what your email is about because that helps the recipient understand the message before opening it. After that, type your message in the body section. You can keep it short and simple or write a more detailed email depending on your needs. Once everything looks good, click Send, and your email will be delivered. That's all there is to sending an email through Hostinger. Now let's go over how to read your incoming messages. To check your emails, go to the inbox folder. You'll see a list of all your received messages there. Just click on any email to open it and read the contents. If you want to reply, most email clients will have a reply button right inside the message. You can also go back to your inbox anytime to check for new messages throughout the day. This makes it easy to stay organized and keep track of communication from clients, customers, or friends. If you're using Hostinger email for a business website, this is a great way to manage professional communication from one secure place. And once you get comfortable with the basics, you can explore more features like folders, filters, and settings to keep your inbox organized even better. So to quickly recap, go to webmail.hostinger.com, log in with your email and password, click New Message to send an email, and use the inbox to read your messages. It's a simple process once you've done it once or twice. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.